Good morning, investors. It's a great day to be in the stock market. The stock market is surging today, mainly because the consumer price index came out this morning, and it was as expected. It didn't go up any. The yesterday the producer price index came out, and it went down just by a little bit. So that's telling everybody that's watching it that inflation is not increasing as a lot of people uh, were thinking, because if it did, then that would put a damper on any kind of rate decreases that the Fed would consider. Um, but that looks good. The other week, we remember the labor report came out, and we added more jobs than what was expected. So what this is telling me is that the economy is on solid ground. Inflation is under control. Unemployment is coming down a little bit. So, we have the best economy in the whole world, and people want to invest in our stock market. So, I think the fear that we had about inflation, about potential tariffs, I think that question about the tariffs still has to be answered, but I think people are feeling better about it. Um, so it's a great time to get back into the market if you got out. Um, Remember yesterday or the day before we talked about J.P. Morgan. The banks came out today with some of their earnings, and all of those banks, big banks anyway, J.P. Morgan, Wells Fargo, Citi, they're all had great earnings reports, and that is reflected in their stock price today. So, all that's good news. But I want to show you something that I did this morning, and I'll go to the Thinkorswim platform, and we'll look at it. Okay, this is the Analyze tab on the Thinkorswim platform that shows an iron condor in SPY. Uh, I haven't talked too much about iron condors because I don't really trade them a lot, but I wanted to do this one to give you an example of what it can do and how you do it. All right, so this is the March iron condor. And you see right now that on the Analyze tab, you could, at the close or as you get to the closing date, which is March 22nd, if the price of SPY falls in this range, you can make $334. If it goes up a little bit more, then you're going to lose $164, or it goes down 160. Well, actually, it's $166. But anyway, my point is, an iron condor gives you the profit potential in this range right here. So, how do we put on an iron condor? Well, there's several ways to do it, but let's go to the trade tab, and I've got the verticals pulled up right here. You can go down and you can pick. Let me find it. You can pick an iron condor, and Thinkorswim will give you the predetermined, points. But I didn't like any of these. I wanted to pick my own wings. So essentially, what an iron condor is just two vertical spreads. So we go back up here to the verticals, and right now, uh, SPY is trading around 592. All right. So what I normally do is I go down here and I 592. Where's it at? Falls in right here. Okay. So I normally go out about three positions to about right here for the put spread. and go down 3 positions for the call spread, and we sell these positions. We sell these options. We don't buy. We sell options, just like we sell verticals. So you click on this vertical right here. You sell this vertical, the call vertical, and you go back up here. You sell this put vertical that forms your iron condor. Just as simple as that. And then and this is what you get. Now, realize that the transaction fees for an iron condor are going to be a little bit more than just a vertical, but still, it's a good trade with good probabilities of making you some money. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Um, it's looks like it's going to be a good day, and I think from what I'm seeing, and the January 20th date coming up for uh, President-elect Trump's inauguration, I think we have some solid ground now, solid footing for the stock market to take off. So you guys join me for some more insights, more trading ideas, and anything like that. If you have any questions, give me a call. If you like it, if you think you're getting something out of it, shoot me a text, shoot me an email or a comment or something, and we'll see you guys real soon.